A chart system is a visual prompt used to manage behaviors. There are many benefits to using a chart system. One benefit is that you do not have to give the actual reinforcer as many times throughout the day. A star chart is also useful because it is a way to show a child how to choose his reinforcer and keeps him or her motivated to make good choices. To keep the child motivated, the child can make their own chart using preferred characters. For example, Mickey Mouse, Batman, Spider-Man. Those are usually characters that children like to use. It can be used as a positive or negative reinforcement by adding or taking something away to increase or reduce a certain behavior.